Book my show. Why you have come here?
Just to see the land.
No, which is why you want the land?
For what purpose? You are setting up some industry here? Then what is it for?
Is this for that sunburn tickets what you started selling yesterday? But then why Book My Show is putting office here?
So what is the reason that you've come to see the land? That is what we want to know.
Don't worry.
Tell us properly.
Don't worry. You will not be troubled. I really want to know that why Book My Show has come today to just see the land. It's an industrial land. No? Now, Book My Show is into events. Book My Show is events.
Help you. Help us with what the thing is.
Are you having any event here?
No. I just need to see the survey.
Survey of what? This is an industrial land.
There is something I want to come
No, we don't want to ask you.
I just grabbed the
You survey the land for feasibility. You think the feasibility is feasibility of an event? No. You work for but you work for Book My Show. And you are working as a surveyor for Book My Show. Yeah. Book My Show is into surveying. First time I came to Bihar. We don't have that section. No, but they must have told.
But officers knows about it.
I don't know.
What have you asked the officer to show? Land for what?
No, you came from Bombay. You landed and straight you came here. Correct. But you have come from Bombay all the way and you don't know why you have come here.
I just came for a survey of land, sir.
What is the purpose of it?
That I will just do the survey, sir.
No, what are you looking at that
For
survey?
whom you are doing the survey?
What did you give the report?
Survey for whom? Survey for what? That is what. See, before you do a survey, you should know what you want to do, right? There's a plan. So what is the plan? That is what we are asking you. Simple question.
This land is suitable for this. So you must be having some background attributes which you have to cross-check. Qualify for that land or something. Yes or no?
You say that it is Book My Show and you come to survey land. What does Book My Show have to do with land? You are only booking shows. That is what we want to know because it's very strange. You understand what I'm saying? So that is what we want you to explain to us.
But I don't know. As of now, I don't know.
What is your good name, sir?
Amit Jadhav. What is your name?
Varun.
Huh?
Varun.
You are also associated with
Adevan.
So you are associated with?
किती आयले ते हांगा किती आयले
प्लेस आहे मॅडम
कुठेतरी किती दिला पत्र बित्र दिला फॅक्टरी घालता किती
कोणाचो पाहता
किती फॅक्टरी घालता
But they don't give you this thing, what you call it, like anybody can just come and ask you. They are given some.
Where are you getting?
I'm seeing
Before that, where are you? If you come for a survey, you don't give a free land to the right?
no, but that's not really not enough.
What do you want to look at? Is there sea view? Or is there tree view? Or is there jungle view? Or what's the view? Or is it the flat land? Too much of
When you left from your office, they would probably give you some guidelines of what to check in the survey.
हे जे बीजेपीचे जे सरकार आसा आणि वो मुख्यमंत्री आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टर आम्ही पळयला की फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसान ते कशे अक्षरशः गोंयकारांक विकतात। आज आम्ही हांगा मुद्दाम आयिल्ले कित्याक हे तुमी पळयतात दोग जाण बुक माय शोचे IDC वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियलाचे ऑफिसर आज येवन हांगा तांणी जागो सगळो सर्वे केला। आता जेन्ना आमी ताका कन्फ्रंट केलो तेन्ना तो बुक माय शोचो मनीस सांगता बाय नेम अमित जाधव की आमी हांगा सर्वे करपा आयल्या म्हणून। तेन्ना आमचे बाब अरविंद हाणें तांकां प्रश्न केलो की बाबा बुक माय शो तो पयलीं म्हणटा आमी जागो घेवपा आयला सो ताका विचारले तूं कसली इंडस्ट्री घालता कित्याक बूक माय शो म्हणटा शो बूक करपाच्या धंद्यान आहा. सो दीस वॉज अ कॉन्स्पिरसी आनी बॅक डोरांतल्यान हो IDCचो चेअरमॅन आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे पळय काल सांगतालो की लोकांनी FIR करची म्हणून. काल ताजे कडेन डिमांड केले की सो मोठा हांचेर FIR रजिस्टर कर. आज सिद्ध जाल्लें आसा की हे बूक माय शोचे अधिकारी आणि IDCचे अधिकाऱ्यांनी आज वेर्णा जी SEZ जागो आसा तो येवन ताणें आज सर्वे केला आणि सनबर्न हे वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन साऊथ गोवा येता हे कन्फर्म जाला. आमची चेतावणी आहा ह्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टराक की ताबडतोब आयच्या आज FIR हांचेर रजिस्टर जावपाक जाय.
तेंगेलो तेका विचारल्यार ते कित्याक येयले हांवें ना ते कितें शुटींग कितें करपा सायड चोयताय खंय केसो शुटींग करपा येयले ते हिंगा तेंगे फकत मेक माय शो म्हणटाय ते इट इज समथींग दॅट ते ऑफिसान टिकेट बूक करपाच्यो केसो म्हूण शुटींग आनी बिल्डींग बांदपा येयले आनी फॅक्टरी केसो म्हूण घाताय ते मेक माय शो रेप्लिकेट करपा. So it is a total scam. This is nothing but shifting junk that is happening in North Goa to South and destroying the peace and tranquility of South. The drug menace in the North, we don't require it to come to the South. We are battling of enough of things. This is enough from these people. I'm sorry, the government has failed to the, I don't even say there's a government. There is no government. Nurture that. Take care of that and build on that. We don't require sunburns and EDMs and all these things for tourism.
Tourism Minister and Rohan County floor of the house सांगितले की तांचेर FIR करा ते थोडे टिकेटी बुक करता जाल्यार आपण कितें करूं काय म्हणून वी हॅव नथिंग आनी लोकांक FIR फायल करा म्हणून अपील करता. आयज पळय ते हांगा गोंयान येवन ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर तांकां इतली हिम्मत आसा की इन्स्पेक्शन करपाची आनी आयज म्हाका दिसता रोहन काउंटेन फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउसाचेर सांगपाक पडटलें की बाबा आपली चूक जाली आपणें कितें म्हणलां तें आनी इमिजिएटली ही शूड स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन्स ऑन दीस पीपल.
What about your local MLA who have said he is not aware of anything?
लोकल MLA जेन्ना पळय म्हणलें की बाबा आपूण मुख्यमंत्री पळय कितें सांगता तेजे प्रमाणे आपूण वयतलो म्हूण तेन्ना आमकां सिद्ध जाल्लें की देर इज समथींग हॅपनिंग गोइंग टू हॅपन इन दीस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एंड ऑन वेर्ना प्लॅट्यू म्हणून तेणें म्हणूंक ना की आपूण दिवपाचो ना काय दितलो म्हणून तें स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आन्सर दिवंक ना. दॅट मीन्स ही शोज दॅट ही इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ दीस सिस्टम.
And all this time,
this is the second inspection which has happened. First inspection आमकां चुकलें पूण second inspection आमी सारकें दोडो धरून हाडलें.
and all this time, all Goans, including more particularly in the north, for various reasons, everybody in Goa didn't want this so-called sunburn. Last year, the organizer cried and said, bye bye Goa. Now why the hell again in Goa? Sorry, why the hell म्हणपाक येता संतापानी. आणि आमकां सोंसणीकाय आमची आतां सोबत आयली and Goans will not be tolerating this, especially again and again and again. We will not take it. It's a big no and we don't want it in our